We have it out right now. I'll go ahead and show you a picture of it. So it goes in the motor this way. The front of the car is that way. Here it is. So we mistakenly took the entire nut assembly out, bleed valve assembly out. That's all we should have done is held the silver part and turned the brass part, but we didn't have good visibility. We have some oil leaks. But you know, if you're doing it yourself, yeah, you just have to turn the brass part and put a little hose on the end here. I post some help on how to find the coolant drain plug for the engine block for 2006 Odyssey. We thought it easier. The right front tire is off. Going to take you over. So we're going to look at the CV boot right here, the drive CV boot. Over here, just to the right, is the oil filter. If you look above the top of the CV boot and you go 5 inches up and maybe 4 inches over, you'll see the where we took the nipple and the base out. So that's